I'm gonna make sure we get right into this. Let's do it.
Holy shit, that's Chris from Kenya. Shit.
Hey, he's about it, he waved.
You wanna film a goddamn video, girl? Come on.
Get on now. Get on, girl. I know, this is an exciting one. I know, it's exciting. Hopefully my car's not locked. It's not, wait, stay.
Stay. Let me get a stick. As soon as I get a stick, this video is rolling.
Out of work early, you know what that means? Video, baby. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys know, I messed up, hang on. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris and we're building my Mark 7 GTI on the channel. We go fast, have a good time, we do the stuff. If you like what you hear, hit the button, join us. We are heckin' close to 5K subs. Anyway, I'm not gonna draw this video out. This worked out good last time. Shoot. Oh, look at that, look at that. Brothers, sisters, the time is now. You saw the last video, you saw the last drive. It hasn't moved since then. If it did, it's because I washed it and I felt guilty for not washing it, but finally, I can tell you exactly what the plan is. Okay, so for those who don't know, if you're new, go here or here and watch the newest video. Oh, my neighbor's always watching. I always feel so awkward. God damn it. If you guys didn't see in the last video, it was the last drive for the IS38 setup on the GTI. We are moving to a big turbo, more fuel, more fun. It's been kind of hard because I've been trying to keep it as like, I don't know, not a secret, but you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to keep it a cool surprise. And finally, I can tell you what it is. So let's unbox it, boys. You ready? You ready? You're gonna know already because I marked the box. I wanted to make it really to the point. Everybody guessed. Your boy's an EQT boy. It's obvious. It's obvious. Hit it with the spoon one time. Let's get right into this. I am so effing excited. It's not even funny. Coming to you live. I already opened this and pre-bagged everything. Nice and organized. All right, let's go nice and easy here. Oh, daddy. Y'all ain't ready for this. Oh, is that a Vortex, dog? You got the XL, dog? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. I just want you guys to know, I've already opened this and just played with it. The Holy Grail. Yo, I'm so stoked, what the hell? All right, so I can finally tell you exactly what the plan is. Okay, so remember how I told you in the last video, if you didn't see it, go watch it. We're gonna do this in 2 stages so it doesn't cost me $1 billion. The EQT Vortex XL. How could I go any other route? I'm not a built engine boy yet, so I can't go Typhoon, so we went with the biggest option. Okay, so in phase 1, we're gonna install the new turbo. We're also gonna do, I'm not gonna open it because it's pointless to open. We got the Autotech high pressure fuel pump internals, map sensors, our upgraded EQT map sensors that are also going in, and that will be in revision 1. And then we're gonna retune it. I already got the tune so that we can do it as soon as possible. I'm sorry, I'm tripping. This video is gonna seem super random and all over the place, but it's just 'cause I'm excited. So let me tell you the plan while I'm holding it. Anyway, so what I was saying was, that will be revision 1. We will do the Autotech high pressure fuel pump, technically just the internals. We'll do the Vortex XL, we'll do the upgraded map sensors, and we're gonna go through and clean some other little stuff up. And we're gonna start with that so that I can still drive this for a few months. I'd probably say a couple weeks, probably 2 months. And then we are gonna do EQT's MPI setup with the low pressure fuel pump control module. And we're gonna do the brushless low pressure fuel pump. And I think I just covered it all. And then from there, I also found a source for 100 octane. There's a VP Racing now and they have 100 octane, 112, and a bunch of shit like that. It's expensive, but on 100 octane, there's no reason why we couldn't make 500 on everything done? I don't really know, actually. I imagine this setup now will be 425 up, somewhere in there. I'm not entirely sure because the numbers kind of vary depending on cars and mods and stuff. But so we'll be doing that on 94 octane. And then when we do the second setup is when I'll start buying 100 octane and go from there. And we'll see just full party mode. Anyway, I hope you guys are excited, bro. This video is gonna be kind of short, and it's gonna be completely informational, and I just wanted to get it out there. So we're gonna move the car, get it up on the jack stands, get it ready because it's gonna be parked for a little bit. And then tomorrow we're gonna immediately jump into this. We're gonna do the install on the turbo, and then we're gonna do a rebuild video on the high pressure fuel pump. And the sensors are obviously just drop, like plug and play, so that's stupid. And then we'll go from there. We'll get our first start. Oh, also, sorry. I'm also going back to a Catless downpipe because I noticed on dyno videos that there's actually like a significant 20 to 30 horsepower gain off of a Catless pipe. So we're going back to a Catless pipe, which you already know means flames. And basically I couldn't have done any of this without EQT, and I'm not doing that as like a gasless plug, you know what I'm saying? But they've helped me out immensely, and they don't fuck around, and I've never had any issues with anything to do with them. So if you're not running EQT, I don't know why you're fucking up. I'm sorry. You can say everything else is better. It is what it is. Anyway, I think that's it. That's the plan. It's gonna party. It's gonna absolutely party. I don't know. It's just this is the next step from like mods to built in my eyes. I feel like we're becoming a real channel, I guess is what I'm getting at. This is becoming a real GTI channel. The whole point of my channel, for those who don't know, is literally to just show anybody can do this. I don't care. It doesn't matter who you are. I started with knowledge from like dirt bikes and obviously my whole family, but anybody can learn how to do this shit and anybody can do it. So go fucking do it, bro. If you want that shit done, go do it. Before I get rambling on too much. All right, let's move the GTI. Let's get it ready. And we'll wrap this video up. We're moving up in the YouTube world, bro. We're gonna be fast GTI guy, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be that guy soon. I'm gonna have to hold it down for the Vermont, New Hampshire boys, bro. Get a nice little cold start for you guys. Holy shit. God damn, bro. This thing's gonna, I'm so excited, bro. All right, let's move the Jetta. Gotta play a little tic-tac-toe here to get the car in position. Is it weird that you guys can see me and hear me perfectly normal, but I'm on the inside of the vehicle? God, this is a pain in the ass to do with my boots on. This is like, ooh, crunchy brakes, it's been raining. This is like her real last drive. I'm gonna go back another whisker, but, ugh. God, this is such like really is kind of like, not nostalgic, I don't know. To think about what this car used to look like and where we used to be with a YouTube channel, and now we're like making some profit, making money off of videos that are on the internet. It's just a trip. It's actually wild. I don't know, it's just crazy. Like, look at this. Let me back it up another whisker. This is it, bros. Next step, I'll see you on the other side. Just keep driving, keep it real. Let this fucking show you. If you want to do something, go do it. Go do it yourself. Your boy will catch you in the next one. Next video's install, baby. I'm out. Peace.